She go say, happy lady. She go say, happy lady.
Yes, guys. It's another wonderful day, and cheers to every African woman out there. And if you're not an African, yes, still cheers to you if you are a lady. So I'm so happy. Like, I don't know, I just woke up on a very good side of my bed this morning. Anyways, if you were just stumbling on my video for the very first time, I want to say thank you for stopping by and clicking that play button. And if you are a subscriber and you're back here, I want to say you are welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's your girl in the house, Timmy, and today we're going to be talking about something very interesting. So let's go quickly into the video. Now, what is forgiveness? Like forgiveness. I forgive you, forgive yourself. I've been hearing all that, and I'm like, okay, so what is even forgiveness safe? So forgiveness is a deliberate act to let go of anger, hurt, resentment, and retribution. And it's so amazing that so many of us that are actually gifted at forgiving people, yes, gifted, you know how to forgive people, you find it very, very difficult to forgive yourself. Yeah, baby, it's not a strange thing. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you how to forgive yourself. So stick and stay glued till the end of the video. Is responsibility. So you should be able to take responsibility of your actions, and in that way it helps you to get rid of negative emotions very fast. And in the Journal of Development and Counseling, two researchers named Ward and Connie suggested that accepting one's responsibility is the first and authentic step to self-forgiveness. R is remorse. You have to allow yourself to feel remorseful. No one said feeling guilty is bad in the first place. This allows you to think about the consequences and also feel empathy for others. And with this helps you to move forward, and also opportunity to amend your mistakes. And that leads us to the third R, which is restoration. You have to be able to make amends of your wrong actions, and also make amends of every relationship you have lost as a result of your actions in the past. This will also help you to forgive yourself very fast and very easily, because once you get connected to those people you have lost and to those things you have missed to, it brings out this joy and happiness within you. It actually makes you feel that sense of self-forgiveness. And the last but not the least is renewal. You have to take positive steps to help you move forward and help you become a better person. And at this point, you'll be able to look out for such mistakes and not do them again. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. And if this video has been so helpful, please click on the like button. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. When I mean subscribe. Don't just watch this video for free. So I'm going to be seeing you in my next video, and have a lovely day. Bye.